This video will illustrate how to properly install a Salvajor bolt-in sink collar, part number 70. Note, this sink collar is for sinks with a 3.5 to 4 inch opening. The tools needed are a flathead screwdriver and a 7/16 inch wrench. Begin by putting plumber's putty around the top side of the sink opening, then insert the sink adapter through the opening. Underneath the sink, place the neoprene gasket and hex metal washer over the bottom of the stainless steel adapter. Next, verify that the O-ring is installed in the sink collar. Slide the sink collar up against the hex metal washer while installing the spring steel snap ring. Once the snap ring clicks into the groove securely, allow the sink collar to rest on top of this spring. Now screw the hex bolts out of the sink collar and up against the hex metal washer to firmly set the entire assembly. The disposer can now be installed by sliding the rubber collar over the bead on the sink collar and tightening the clamp. For additional questions, contact Salvajor Service Department. For notifications on new content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Salvajor.